lot of people ask me how I get my teeth so white. I use whitening strips, guys, every single day. And I feel like it's kind of working, no? Anyways, what's up, guys? They watching another video. Starting off the video here at the gas station. Pretty much like every single video. GTR is still pretty clean from the last vlog. We got to watch with the homie Josh. And today, we're actually about to meet up with him again. The homie Jay, Josh. I think Kevin might pull up. I'm excited. I don't know what we're going to get into. But we're all meeting up in Santa Monica. And then we're cruising all the way up to Malibu, which is, for me, a mission, bro. It's a long drive. Already about like 40 minutes in and we still probably got another 40 minutes or more. What the heck, is that a cop? You got little police lights on the front. Looks like an undercover cop. Anyways, putting 85 in the car. Oh my God. I hate how my cat always walks on my freaking car, bro. And I know I'm probably scratching my wrap, guys. It's already scratched. I need to take off the wrap, honestly. It's time. The wrap is super scratched. It has a bunch of rock chips up front. Like, when I say rock chips, guys, I mean rock chips. Look at this. You can literally see black paint everywhere under the wrap. Like, this is all rock chips. But that just shows that I literally daily drive this car. In pictures on video, it probably looks really, really good. But when you go up close, rock chips everywhere, bro. But it's because I just drive a lot, guys. I drive a lot. We drive a lot in groups. A lot of fast cars. And, you know, it just happen to get rock chips every time. But the good thing is that the wrap is actually protecting the paint underneath from those rock chips. Anyways, let's go. We out. We gotta catch up to everybody. We're the last ones. But yeah, before we get too far into the video, smash the like button right now. And also subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. I'm trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. Hopefully we hit it soon. I'm so excited. And thank you guys for everyone who subscribed to the channel and watches my videos. It means a lot. Comment down below too. Let's talk in the comments. I'm trying to be more active in the comments and start replying to all you guys. So I'm gonna try to do that for this video. I'm gonna try to reply to every comment. Oh, I'm gonna try to reply to like every comment in this video. So comment down below. Let's chat, talk to me about things, tell me about your day. I don't know. Tell me some questions, I'll reply back. Oh my God, bro. Look at that E46, guys. That was so clean. BBS wheels. I'm gonna catch up to him. Hurry, 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 hurry. Look at that thing, guys. It's so clean. Damn it, he went that way, but it has BBS wheels on it. It was super, super nice. All right, guys, we just made it to Santa Monica. Look at the beach. We're about to go park right on the beach, but bro, hear the turbos in this car. Can you guys hear it on camera? I wonder if it picks up on camera, but it sounds crazy. The noises this car makes is just crazy. But yeah, look, there's the pier. If you guys are not from California, look how similar it looks to GTA. It's literally like GTA, bro, in real life. Look at that. Oh my God, look at all these birds, bro. I see Josh's car. Why are they circling the Lambo, bro? Holy crap. The pier looks cool though. But dude, we're about to get pooped on. Why are there so many birds?
I don't know.
All over your car. They're about to poop on our cars, bro.
Get off.
Bro, why are there so many seagulls, bro? Anyways.
I have no idea. They came out of
Josh,
nowhere.
how are you, bro? You made it? Long ass drive, bro. I need to move out here. But look, we got all the homies out here again. And a Hellcat, I think. And another Hellcat. Oh shit, that shit's on bags. And another Hellcat. Bro, I don't even think you guys understand how many birds there actually are. Like, look over here. There are so many seagulls, bro. Look who else met up with us. Life of KG. What'd you get from Rodeo?
Yeah.
Damn. So now we have an M4 GTS and a G80 when Jay pulls up right now. And we got the Lambo, we got a Hellcat, and I don't know who else. But we'll see. We in GTA right now.
I'm scared of these birds, dude.
Well, there's so many. I hope they poop on Kevin's car though. That'll be sick. Good vlog content. How much your fit cost today?
This was like
This is something light?
200, I think.
200?
Or like 150, 160.
The jeans?
Like 40.
Amiri?
Yeah.
And the shoes?
160?
Dang. What
50?
the?
Something like that.
And then the car? I always ask you.
Over 100K.
Something light today. No rolling on today?
Nah.
Why not?
No jewelry on.
Oh, damn. Slow boy.
Where did I park at?
I don't know, anywhere. Jay swagged out today. We're gonna ask Jay how much his fit cost today too. Race him.
Hell no.
Just try it, bro. Just see who wins.
He's gonna win, bro.
You got the GTS though.
Bro, look at his tires. That alone should freaking.
I don't look at the exhaust tips. I never even looked at them. So colorful. He wants a race suit.
No, I don't.
Damn! I wonder if you got Kevin beat today.
Whatever. What's going on?
How much your fit cost, Jay? Real quick.
Bucks.
Your glasses?
$20 sweats. $20 glasses. $20 shoes.
Shut up. That's like 60 bucks then. How are you? I know. I haven't seen him forever.
It looks way better, huh?
It looks crazy on. Fast? Jay swagged out, bro. I want those shoes. Look at this bird, bro. Just chilling on her car.
You like that?
She's gonna throw hands with the bird. Bro, this shit's sick on. Look at it. Bro, it comes like that with the seat delete, roll cage. Watch, open your trunk, Kevin. And look what else it has. OEM, bro.
OEM? What?
What's that?
Yeah.
A meth tank.
tank.
Bro, OEM, bro.
Bro, so there's 30
This
bills.
is not OEM.
It comes like
No,
that.
it comes like that. What the fuck?
PQ dead. No, I'm just kidding.
Water.
Nah, but you could probably turn it into a meth tank, right? Or no?
Yeah, that meth is gonna last you for like one pull and then you can blow up.
Yeah, because usually the meth tank is like.
Meth tanks are 5 gallons huge.
This thing is crazy though.
These are
water
injectors.
But it's pretty sick on. They have all that.
Yeah, this is so bad.
Must be nice. Are these carbon ceramics?
Yeah. Yeah, like every 6 months.
That's
it'll
crazy,
take,
bro.
like,
You said your car's dirty. What are you talking about? Oh, hell no.
They picked this up like 2 years ago, 3,000 miles for 90.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Now they're like almost like.
Now, like, I feel like it depends on the miles.
Bro, but the new ones are nuts.
Right now I'm at 30.
30?
Yeah, 32.
you can probably get like the same exact what you paid for it, maybe a little bit.
Maybe
Nah, this car's
like,
clapped
maybe
out, bro.
80.
There's so many birds, bro. Now we're about to head to Malibu now. Damn! The Hellcat? You guys think she'll smoke me? The girl driving the Hellcat? Look at this view, guys. Watch. Sheesh. Damn, the Hellcat sounds crazy. Oh my God, bro. And we got Josh's Lambo looking sick. Oh, we're gonna get in trouble today, bro. I already know we're gonna get in trouble. It's so loud! For real? Damn, we need a house up there, guys. Look at that. Imagine we all had a house, all of us. This thing sounds crazy. Oh, she's crazy, bro. She's over here spinning. I don't know, Kevin. I think she might drive faster than you, bro.
Probably.
She was driving crazy. This thing is fast, probably, bro.
It is.
It was spinning tires. Race it.
No.
Why,
Big J
bro?
was trying to race her.
You got a purse? Oh,
Dripped out in the Gucci.
she's always dripped out, bro. Guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but this is Jay's daughter. Look,
My twin.
bro, it's literally your twin, bro. She's literally a mini Jay, bro. Look at her. Oh, hi. Do you remember me? You do? High five.
Time for Nick to have some.
Time for me to have kids?
Yeah.
I need to find a wife first. I'm taking applications.
Are you?
Yeah.
Can I sign up?
You want to?
Yeah.
I need a wife, bro. Was my car loud?
Yes. And you spit flames, and we got it on camera. That was good.
Bro, I was shooting crazy flames, I think.
Flames right now?
I could
I
smell
think-
it too, actually.
No, it shot fat flames. It would be better at night for sure.
At night, it's probably crazy.
Yeah.
But those pops sounded huge, bro. Yes. I need to turn the flames off.
That's why your shit's
Alright,
doing
so
that.
That's why I need to stop abusing my engine, guys. You what?
Your purse?
This food. Bro, this food lost her fur.
No, it's at the park over there. I'm just gonna walk back and go get it, but I'll pull up in the car.
Uh.
Don't tell her to get sad, dude.
Jay's getting beat up.
You like this car?
Oh, that's messed up. Which one's your favorite car?
Which one's your favorite? Which one do you like?
Pink? You do like mine. Alright guys, we made it to Rodeo Drive. There's always crazy stuff happening, as you can tell. And there's also always a lot of cars here. We'll see if there's any cars today. It's a weekday, so probably not any supercars, but we're here. Like, we got all the stores. It's like we're actually traveling around GTA, the video game, huh? Because they even have this on the video game. All day today we've been in GTA. Damn, where are we at, bro? We're somewhere fancy. Josh is treating us to dinner today, bro.
I was driving Lambo. I got paid for that.
Damn, even the lemonade is fancy, bro. I don't know what this is. I ain't drinking that. What'd you say?
Bro, that is the best cherry Coke I ever had.
The best cherry Coke ever? What? You want to be on the camera?
Say hi.
She's bad, bro.
No, she's mad dog.
I don't know. Look at this, guys. We got our food. We got fries and a big old burger. Shit looks bomb. Hella fancy, bro. What you get, Josh?
This is good.
Big ass steak?
I didn't get my fries yet.
What? What did you get? Pasta?
You want Brussels sprouts?
What'd your dad get?
We both got pasta.
Yeah.
That's funny. The only time she wanted to be on camera is to show you her.
I know.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.